तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? तुमने खाना खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said? थोड़ी देर बाद बात करें? Shall we talk later? Shall we talk later? मुझे उसकी मदद चाहिए. I need his help. I need his help. क्या सब कुछ ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? कल तुमने क्या किया? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? मुझे ये करने का तरीका नहीं पता. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. तुमने कितने बजे आने को कहा था? At what time did you say you'd come? At what time did you say you'd come? तुमने मुझसे पहले क्यों नहीं पूछा? Why didn't you ask me first? Why didn't you ask me first? उसे कॉल कर लो. Call him up. Call him up. मैं इसे अभी नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this right now. I can't do this right now. क्या तुम्हें सच में यकीन है? Are you really sure? Are you really sure? उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did he say that? Why did he say that? मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I can't understand anything. क्या आप मुझे ये समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए. I need your answer. I need your answer. तुम इसे कब तक खत्म करोगे? By when will you finish this? By when will you finish this? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल था? Was it difficult for you? Was it difficult for you? तुमने अभी तक मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं? Why haven't you told me yet? Why haven't you told me yet? मैं तुम्हारे साथ चल सकता हूँ? Can I come with you? Can I come with you? मुझे यकीन है यह आसान होगा. I'm sure it'll be easy. I'm sure it'll be easy. क्या आप मेरे लिए ये कर सकते हैं? Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? क्या तुमने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया? Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? मुझे पता नहीं वह क्यों हंसी. I don't know why she laughed. I don't know why she laughed. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए ठीक है? Is it okay for you? Is it okay for you?